Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own S corporation in the USA. This is a start to finish video. In this video I'm not going to explain you the basics and deep down how S corporation works. This is just a tutorial on how you can actually start it. So the first thing that you want to do is just easily scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is amazing company that's going to help us start our own S corporation. And I always say that you as a business owner, or me as a business owner, we should focus on running the business, growing, generating more revenue, not actually micromanaging on how to start a company, also accounting, administration. The more focus we're going to have on actually like building the business, the more successful we are going to be. So here you just want to click start my business. And when you have it, you choose here S corporation, and then you choose a state here. So you're going to choose a state, let's say Kansas, Maine, Maryland, Missouri, New Jersey, or even like, let's say New York. So you're going to choose the S corporation state, and when you have it, you're going to have three packages here. So the first one, the silver, is the basic, the cheapest, but it's limited. Free registered agent service, unlimited name searches, filling the articles of organization. But with the gold version, you're gonna have like the whole full package here: tax consultation, business banking account, corporation bylaws, banking resolution, business tax number, registered agent service for a year. So with the gold, you can have the full package that I recommend. With the platinum, and even you see it here, you're gonna have expedited filling, domain name, business email, and business contract template. This is the only three like differences comparing to the gold package. The most important thing I see is the expedited filling. So if you need your LLC filled faster, you can easily choose that. Now I can simply choose the gold, and it's the one that I recommend. And also for the gold package, you would have option to fill it faster too. So right here, I'm going to add a first name, let's say Marcus Elias, and then you add an email address here. So let's say we are going to add it for New York, but you choose your state. Also, the price is going to be different. Okay, and then we have number, then address, city, and New York. Now when I got it, I'll just simply press next here. So fill in everything and zip code also. When you got it, press next. The next thing you're going to have is a state filling time. So as I mentioned, you can wait simply 3 weeks, but if you could choose the platinum, you're going to have it straight away the faster filling time, or you can go 1 business day, and it will be in 1 business day, which is much more better. Then you would click next here. Then you can have an S corporation name. So here I can make it like, let's say Marcus Marketing S corporation. You choose a name here and then designator. Incorporated, limited, LTD, corporation, corp. You got it. And then you're gonna choose the number of directors and owners. And when you have it, you would press business purpose. So let's say there is going to be business purpose, marketing service for small business owners. Industry keyword is going to be marketing, but let's say you're in construction, you're going to choose something else here, not marketing. And you would feel like, let's say construction, and then you would have it. Then you're going to have the corporate stock information. So you see where the fund begins here. So you're going to have number of shares authorized. Let's say I'm going to have 2,000. Share per value 0.05. And number of shareholders, let's say 1. But if you're going to have more shareholders, you would add it right here. Then you can have options to have a company address information here, and you can have professional business address, or what you can do is you can use your own address. So these are the two things that you can do. So corporate stock information, you would add it right here, address information right here. And then if you're going to choose your own address, then you have to also provide, but it can be also the office. So it's your company address, it can be office, I don't know. Then you would press next. Then you get also option to again like upgrade for the premium service package for $99. And if you want, you can do it for having like business contract templates and domain name business email. But if you don't want to have it, you will click here, no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. Or get upgrade and bonus. Then you're gonna have the please provide director information for Marcus Marketing. And you're gonna have also the director here, which is like, let's say myself, and then president CEO. You can simply choose here secretary. Let's say it would be other person, but in a moment when you're gonna have like multiple people in your S corporation, you're gonna have like, let's say 4 people that you choose while creating the S corporation. And then you're gonna have the treasurer, vice president, and you would choose like everyone here who is the secretary, and you can always read about it, who is the treasurer and who is the vice president. And when you got it, press next again. Then you can have the shareholder one, and then you would add like, let's say SSN number and number of shares, and you see always that how many shares are remaining. So you see right here the shareholder one is myself, but if you're gonna have the shareholder more shareholders, you would just have like more people here. Then you're gonna have the representative information here, representative information. Please provide the contact information of a company officer or legal representative that IRS may call if any additional information is needed. When you got it, press next again here. Then you're gonna have registered agent information here. So this is something that I definitely recommend to have on the Incfile. You don't have to do it. You can do and act as your own registered agent, but my recommendation has have it in like with Incfile, and then you would cover everything here. And you can actually focus on running the business. Then you would press next again. Tax identification number. So they will apply it for you, and you can simply write here the SSN number that you have. And again, when you will have it, you will choose a physical street address here. And when you will fill it out, you will press next here. Then you can also have options to start like your small business banking, like Bank of America, your own bank account, but you don't need to. So you can have consultation with them. It's up to you. And when you will read about it, if you like it or no, then just simply press next here. Free consultation. This is something that I really recommend, is like understanding how the S corporation is taxed, what is happening with it, how it all works. And that's what you can do here. So when you will have it, press next again. And then you can have the business licenses and permits. So we identify 2 licenses, and this is something that I definitely recommend again having with Incfile. So you would click here, yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications for your consulting business in New York. So let's say if you're construction, you would find a construction here, and they will like solve it for you. But if you want to, you can solve it by yourself, completely up to you. And when you will have it, you will simply click next. Let's say yes, and use the company address. And then I would press next here, and then you're gonna have the review order. So how to understand it, how it works, what to expect from it. And that's pretty much it, how you do it, right? So you're gonna review order here if everything is added correctly. And when you're gonna have it, then you can simply press next. And then you're gonna have the billing information, country, first name, last name, street address, card number, and then you would simply press complete and pay. And voila, this is how you do it. So this is how you can easily start your own S corporation in USA, in various states. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope we are going to have a great day. This was an S corporation tutorial, how to start S corporation guide, what to know about S corporation, and yeah. Thank you and have a great day and goodbye. See ya. And of course guys, if you can have any questions, ask down below in the comments or chat to Incfile on the right bottom or the top right with the number.